ubuya ndazi ukuthi ndoyika kanjani la. Baninike bona. And then I left my nails. I did color red because
so unique. That's what you are. Lingerie reflecting off the mirror on the bar. Category sexy. I'm one of one. I'm the I'm number one. I'm the only one. Don't even waste your time trying to
it's becoming darker and darker the more I move. But anyway, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Ongezwa. You can call me City Mom. Guys, I've gone back to this week. I've took off that it was starting to stress me. Like when I say enjoying it, man. Like I think it was like 2 full weeks. So it was chai. But anyway, I'm going to town and I'm gonna go to my grandmother's house. Like whatever that I'm doing, I'm gonna do it with you guys. I am also trying to post a vlog. Today is a Saturday, right? So I'm trying to post a vlog for you guys. I've been trying to post it since yesterday. Since yesterday, Friday, right? I've been trying to post it. Saturday namhlanje. You guys don't know the stress and the struggle I go through emakhaya. Oh, Sana, I go through it. I'm currently, anyway, I'm just hoping that today, Saturday, the vlog goes live. So I'm literally starting a new one because this one is giving me problems. But anyway, it's not giving me problems, guys. It's the network. And yes, the Wi-Fi icona, and it works much better than the one that Besinayo. But I'm still using my data because I feel like my data is better than Wi-Fi. But anyway, let's go. This masa is waiting for me. Where do I put this? This is how I look. This is how I look. This is how I look. This is how. These are the shoes I am wearing. So let's go. I think I'm gonna wear these leggings like this without the top because the top it's kinda, I don't know where to. I'll see in summer. But yeah, let us go. I also need to take this. Unandi sent me to pass by her uncle's house to drop something for her. So yeah, let us go. Molweni. Saphumjani? Ndingaziyeka kanjani? Kanti nifunani emva kwam nanibangela imingciza? So guys, you wanna be on the vlog?
U-Ongi uzondipha 200 namhlanje, so that's why ngijabulile.
How? Hi Bandla. Hi.
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you? Hey, naze nangiphazamisa ke emvlogweni wami. Ay, guys. This is the family I have. Are you done?
Arituwe.
If I wanna call me father, if I wanna call me father, if I wanna call me father,
love that, I don't mean I work hard with music and my few funds. Families come and I knew that meaning I press next time. I know it's hard, 100 pound will sound bad. Not asking for the fun, so Bruna grips your fun. I only wanna talk, anyone get sure to love. I only need a blood, cause you could die any cash. I only wanna talk, anyone get sure to love. I only need a blood, cause you could die any cash. You could die any cash, anyone get sure to love. You could die any cash, anyone get sure to love. You could die any cash, anyone get sure to love. Ataka ni fake love, anyone get sure to love. Pardon in a one.
I've been looking for a place to do my nails. Found it, but she's busy. Sunday akavuli. So I actually need to do my wig lines, if I'm being honest. I need to do my wig lines and then I need to do my nails. I need to do maintenance. It's gonna be very hard to get up in my car, but I'm not choice because dilipar. So it's Saturday today and I'm not gonna do them. I'm just gonna, because I also didn't make an appointment. So unabantu. Well, someone referred me to her because I don't know anyone who does nails in Makai. So, yes, guys, I've ate, I'm full now. I think I'm just gonna go to my grandmother's house, honestly, because air maintenance, it's not happening today. Anyway, that's the update. Guys, I am here at Nandi's uncle's house. Google is no for Google. Like, is this the main house? Like, what's happening? Guys, I don't know, but the was go up and to me up go up. Now the problem now, openness or knock. Unjani ukuthuleka kanje nabantwana ekhaya ngasekudala. Ngasekudala kuphume abantwana. Phofu kuhleli kukhona abantwana. Oh, nanku ubhuti wakhe. Unjani? Hayi bendingazi bazophinde ndifumane wena kwalapha.
Hayi umalume wanilanda.
Umalume wakulanda?
Ewe.
Oh, ndizise ilapha ngasemva lento unanto ebethe ndize nayo. Impahla.
Ewe. Inkosi.
Kukhona bani?
Khona uma nomzamo nosithembisa.
Oh, okay, ayike unibulisele kubo.
Alright.
Ndisaya pha kwagogo. Shaba. Luckily, brother Kanandi is here. Lo ebengehle naye, guys. So yeah, let's continue and go to my grandmother's house. Yo, hey ma, yazi kuningi, kuningi ngiwana. I hope anyathele izinki ngeke. Izinki kufuneka bayisuse apha izosimoshela amatayara kwandlela ephume ngayo. But anyway guys, I'll catch up with you guys now. Once again, what happened? Abantu abajingise amalele. Hi. Abantu. Hi Granny. Hi. Dithi mna awukho ke.
Ikhona.
Dithi awukho.
Uthi ndiyephi ke ngoku?
Ususana bethe uzokulanda uhamba nawe nomalume niya eShepstone
Ebeke watsho qala.
bayokuthengela amayeza
Uyothenga nolilitha novuyo akhange nje mna ndibalwe nokubala.
Oh,
Ngale sendirhala ndabona uba ake ndithule.
hi. Dithi
Ciao.
mna bandihambe ke ndiyothenga i-KFC yakho ndithi awukho mna.
Hayi ndikhona mntana.
Ndikuthengele phi?
Ngavuya mntana. Kaloku
Uthanda inyama
Streetwise
ndiyakwazi.
7. Eyayithanda ugogo.
Streetwise 7 uzibalile na. Hey. Ozuve. Ho Streetwise 7.
siyazibala xa
Isn't this
isenzana.
the 20-something K camera?
No.
15K?
This one is not that expensive.
Right.
It's not that expensive.
Ngasikapha ngezantsi. Ndibheke phake mna. Hey.
Awuzibona?
Sekuyinto apha njengokuyashuthi yakhe.
Iyashuta ma. Iyayenza.
Cha, ngaba yellow bone. Oh.
Yeah.
Awungakutshela.
Masihambe masizobuya ngoba ndifuna uyobukela ivlog yami. Guys, my vlog just went live actually.
Yes, guys,
Oh,
please
yes.
follow
Ewe
the vlog.
bendiyenze ndiyiqale
channel.
eGoli.
Okay.
Yintoni le?
Into. Yi-present, sisi.
Present.
Yes,
Present. Present.
from
Tammy.
Utami.
So cute.
Yes.
Kunini uhle lo chocolate? Hey, yeka uchocolate
Hayi
nakho
ke
baba.
ndingawudla ke ngoku.
Hayi baba, baba ngicela kuqala.
Uzana kaloku.
Msheleni ke.
My vlog just went live.
Ciao.
Kanti ukuthuleleni lonke exesheni ungatsho ubutshokoleti uyawufuna.
Oh,
Hayi gogo befuna uyivule kuqala.
Ndiyivule kuqala. Iyawuvulwa nini onto ngoba kaloku kwathiwa
uhlukela ungawudli.
ukhendlele nantoni
Nespray, sispray yes.
nantoni enye.
Hand lotion. Se perfume then. Yeah.
And
Let's go.
And what?
Hand pure gogo sazithi nani. Uqamba lamanga o.
Endisazi noba wayendichazele kodwa.
coconut.
Hayi.
Ah. Coconut.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hayibo guys, umuntu ungathini utshela i-family member yakho ukuletha abantu abawu-5 so kunezi 1,000 rand or top 10 1,000 rand.
A whole 1,000 rand.
Yes.
A whole 1,000 rand. Guys, I don't know if people bazobe corner. It's a Saturday today instead of posting it on Sunday. But I was like, Sana, those who are not busy, abangayanga ku Durban, oh guys, ngaye kuhambe Durban July. Guys, Durban July ndihambe kakhulu. Mina guys, I used to stay in Durban. I finished my primary in Durban, my high school, college, everything. Ndiyenze eDurban. So Durban July. Ndayihamba isayi Durban July. Those who are from Durban, they know what I'm talking about. It's weekend yayo namhlanje ngokuma. I-weekend yayo. So andinayo kwa excitement ye Durban July. Yo ndayihamba kakhulu. Sizinto nje ovela ubone bayazifuneka uziyekele abantwana. Izingane maziyenze like some things you do them and yeah, groove mama from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Wanje umgroove nje, wanje ama club, kuya groove, yaselwa. Hayi, yabo nje.
Into enjalo le.
Into enjalo. But
ubukelwa
amahashi mane. Yes, ubukelwa amahashi kubhethwe. So into eyenzakalayo ngoku emini like namhlanje into sasiye sihambe siyobukela amahashi. So ukhetha uba ufuna uba kweyiphi imakhi. Ama-makhiz nawo after party kuyahanjwa kubukelwe amahashi pha kweyanto yakho nokubukela amahashi ne. Then ke ngoxa segqikiwe ukubukela amahashi kuhanjwe kuyoselwa ke. So kube khona ama different marquees. Ndandiya kwi-Afrotainment, imarquee ye-Afrotainment ka DJ Diri. So ndandithanda yona ke. Sike segroove. Following day kuyiwa kwi-white party ya groove. Sunday shisa nyama kwa Max ya groove. We imali iphele.
Ngoku abasegoli ba excited ke bona.
Abasegoli yonke indawo, Joburg, Mpumalanga, everywhere in South Africa, Cape Town, wonke oyaziyo nje Durban July ukuthi yini upha sasiz-enjoy. Kwakulixesha lethu ma, kwakulixesha lethu. Ngoku lixesha labanye. As a result bebendibuza nje abanye oBullistic, oBullaz bandazi ezinye ichomi zami zaseDurban ezibo DJ. Uyandisendela uWhatsApp uthi uyaza kuDurban July, ngithi hawu ngeke mfana ngimdala nje. Angisayihambi nje kwayilo nto mina.
Obona basaqhubeka.
Hayi ke bona bakule industry. Bakule industry yo DJ umculo ntontontonto.
Okay.
So ndisasenabo abantu baseDurban ababe ngo DJ nandivana nabo ngisahlala ba. So sometimes banokundibuza ukuthi uyeza nti hayi ngaphuma lapho mina ngalelo xesha. Yibo. Ngendlungu. Mandiyami. Hayi ndimdala ma yo. Uba ngavele ndisukela igroove ndiyo groove nje ndimdala nje. Ndingabuya ndikhathele. Senjuba nangoxa ndile kwi-groove ndikhathala ndivuba bendiyapi ndihambe just for one day for few hours akusafani umzimba usekho fresh njengakuqala siyashesha ukukhathala zinto engabe zenziwa bonikhi ngokwezo ayithina asambeni ndiyothenga i-KFC kamama bengicinga uba umama mnake kuhambe nosana because usana bethe uzohamba yomthengela amayeza Shepstone, so I thought she's not here. So guys, let's go buy ilontuzana ndibukela ama-status wabantu ku-Durban July on my phone uthi hey nikuphi nenzani. Guys, I want to leave this camera. I started here in the house to guys, I want to leave the camera here. We are stopping vlogging today because into kuzokwenzeka mistake mengilobe ngehla ne camera. So I'm done for the day. I'm gonna go buy KFC, go back to my grandmother's house, and then come back. Yeah. Day another gallivanting. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. I am wearing this dress. I babukani sengiphuma ngigqoka slippers. Yeah. I'm literally wearing slippers. So, if I wear this dress because it's hot, got my shades on. I'm gonna carry this bag. I'm gonna carry this bag because wow. Kadin. Okay, I'm gonna pack away more yes, if I'm done.
Ay, bakren na baphahla. Bakren na baphahla aus.
Shwanja.
What is the part naman na?
Hey. Wamba na siya.
Just bega peka peka.
Oh.
Awami kunje.
Ngihamba kanjani slippers as pink.
So,
Ngeke lena uyemqasho le.
le phone Ulubanzi.
Iphenje.
Guys, when I'm home, this phone I always leave it for Ulubanzi.
Nanti mani. Awahambi kanje mama, awahambi kanje. Ngoba ngwa-20 rand. Awahambi kanje mama.
Andihambi
Represent too
kanjani?
much. Represent too much. 20 rand minimum. Minimum wage.
Awuhlukane nebag yami.
Awahambi unje ma. No.
Guys, these kids are saying I'm naked. Lubanzi okuhle hlukane nebag yami hle. Bekufaka le mali apha. Fak.
Awahambi unje. If 20 rand.
Ndikunikile mos 20 rand izolo wena uthatha 20 rand every day.
Kodwa awahambi unje ma. Look.
Yo.
Mama awahambi unje. Awahambi unje ma. Awindawo. Ndivukela kanto awindawo. You are not going anywhere. Awindawo. Shintsha nempahla enxibileyo. Zishintsha konke rand. Khosha le ezoqakaleni usoliyela kuwa.
Ephi ingxakeni?
Ukuthi uqhebezile. Yes.
Ndiqhebezile.
Yes.
Ke ngoku.
Uqhebezile.
Nami ndimkhuzile wena sukuthi
Simfale.
kanjani ezixibobo.
Child. Uvela uvume into engekhona wena.
Awumfethu
Ungathezi.
kodwa umhle ba
Yeah.
umhle qha lokho ifishane.
Yes. Ngixelele. Umhle but too small.
Okay but ke mofuna uphume la endlini osiphi imali.
Yeah.
Oh, andiqhebezanga xa sekufanele ndikhuphe imali. Okay, thi ndiyotshintshana.
Yes. Makamba yashintsha.
Bathi futshane.
Iright.
No.
Labona ifashion.
Dim amtakhe.
Hey.
Uzoshintsha.
Hayi sondiphusha phela. Ngase ngavelelwa.
Guys ngicela ukukhetha impahla zami ze-500.
Lucha.
Ngase ngavelelwa. Ngcono ke ngoba ngake ngantshela ukuthi lezi ngane ziyangibhulisha. That's the problem. Ovula igate Sam. Ngcono ngoba ngake ngantshela ukuthi these kids.
I'll come back tomorrow.
Even when I'm wearing leggings, they will say put on something. Hey, you are naked. Kwanjanjani.
Ayikho into abayithethayo.
Have boys. Zoyimamela. Because wow. Sifike nini la? Ulubanzi izolo ndithe ndihlamba wathi, "Oh mama, unempondo ezinkulu." I'm like, Lubanzi, Athi, mama, nkulu.
Yes.
I'm like, ngaze ngavelelwe bo Jehova. Ila bafana abancane. Hi. Kiss mommy. Mwah, love you. Kiss mommy. Mwah, love you. Papa yini kanti ninikile ama-chappies? Ukabuza usanda. Vula ke sanda.
What?
Yo. Guys, let me try and drive.
Bye bye.
If bad boy wanna cut me further here. If bad boy wanna cut me further here. If bad boy wanna cut me further here.
Love that. I don't mean I work hard. With music and my few funds. Families come and I knew that. Being in a press next time. I know it's hard. 100 will sound bad. Not asking for the fun.
Hi guys. Can y'all see me? Ubuyephi? Oko ndime apha. Ndide ndixelelwa ngulasisi uba nangu lo muntu omfunayo. Ndiyakufowunela, hayi ifowuni itsho epalini. Uthengile? Ndicinga uba uphaa ndiyakubheka andikuboni.
Bwana kuphelile bro.
Uphelile?
Bayathenga ba.
Yintoni le?
Kicks.
Wild berry spritzer.
Hayi ayikho sweet ke njenge.
Hi guys. Guys, ilanga much better. I'm sure you guys can see me. Can you guys see me? Dival. Ndizovula aircon bayangcola. Hi guys, I did my nails. I'm here to say I did my nails. Also, the lady said, I don't know, I tried updating you there, but it's not noisy, but she was playing music and there's going to be a copyright. So when I'm editing, I would have removed that clip. You guys are not gonna see it. I'm gonna remove it. But anyway, so I did my nails. I did color red because I feel like I've been doing dark colors and I'm just over the burgundy or winter colors. I'm so over them. So yeah, I'm gonna come back and do my wig lines. Oh, she said I must give my hair a break. Like andimazila sisi so babini sinozimasa sithe siya relaxa sibese siyoluka wathi khanibethise inhloko wathi masibethise inhloko ngomoya utsho kanjalo wathi niphinde nibuye nizoluka so sihleli ke ngone original hayi nami ndiyayiqala leyo ba uthi wehlala nenwele uthi ufuna ukuluka it's come this side. This camera ifuna wena ifuna mina. Can you see? So yeah,
Uraphela
umoya ndizovula into nayo iaircon izongcola apha kule camera guys. Uzimasa got us some alcohol. Butshwala nje bayabazi.
ayikho sweet.
It's nice actually. It's 4.5 alcohol volume. Wild berry spritzer. We're just my favorite aircon. So yeah, where's my KFC? Guys, let's sit here because it's goduga. Like we are done. Like we are done with everything. That's it. We are done with everything that we came here to do. It was maintenance day, and we did exactly that. It was maintenance day, and we did exactly that. I'm gonna come back before I go and do inyaozam because they are still fine, but not that much. So I was like, you know what? Before I go back to Joburg, I'm gonna come back, do my my inyaws. Okanye xa sendizoyokwenza inwele then I'll do my feet. Bam. Because it's alright ngoku. Anyway, yeah. I'll catch up with you guys later. I don't look nice with inwele and isiphongo siphume kakhulu. Uyanibona? Yeah. Kanjani manje nje? Ora ndiziqhelanga. I kind of look weird. Can't ngifonela uNtuthuko. Bye guys. Bye.
Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
Another day, another doula, another traveling, another running errands. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Another. Wenzani? Lubanzi? Ah, imali engaka sap. Ithi ndikunika ama. Hi guys, another day, another doula, and we have our mic. Let's. Hi. Oh, ifuni le? Akayifuni? Ndiyanipha mosiba nithenga amaswiti. Ufuna i-R100 for ukuthenga amaswiti Lubanzi? Athatha lena nana. Okay, wait. Uyazelaphi Lubanzi i-R100? Like ngubani okufundise i-R100 nje siqale lapho. Where do you know it from? Ina nansi R10. Is that one fine? Oh. Akusi 200. Ayibandla. Sam. Samkelisiwe. Baphandle. Guys, I'm always running errands in this house and they are not mine. I kind of missed my natural hair. Yes, baby. Ufuna uhambe kubaba? Ubaba akekho nje. Akekho ubaba. Oh, ubaba akekho ndisho kwagogo. Akekho ubaba, akekho ndisho kwagogo.
Mandibeka lapha.
Uyibeka phi? Iyake.
Ngangicini mayo pressure. 2000k is watching me.
Ungatshayisa imoto yami uncede. Sukani, Sam ndimnike i-R10 ngicela ubathengele nansi apha kuLubanzi. Hayibo. Ungayi ngamandla emgaqweni. Hayi ubrekelani ngoku? Suka phila. Awuboni na wena wayefuna ukudirectwa? No, but you need to learn to drive it. Sukani nizomphazamisa.
Bamba i-break mawuye kwindawo estip.
Hayi myeke azenzele ama mistake but ungahambi yawe makazingane stress. Yeah. Ungangena emgaqweni. Guys, I actually hate how the mic sounds and I am going to try using it again, reduce the volume. It was on 50. I know so because I put it on 50 before I could start using it today. So I am going to put it on 30 or 20. I'll just keep on reducing it, maybe like 20, and then put that clip on the next vlog, see how it is, and then if it still sounds bad, put it on 20 because I really just want to figure out how the mic works. Well, I have figured how it works, but how to have like a proper clean sound that is not irritating to me when I'm editing and obviously to you guys when you're watching, because this actually just doesn't sound good. So I'm sorry about that because the other clips that are coming, they do have the mic on. So we'll just keep on trying to figure out what's what moving forward. First stop is, guys, there's the thing is hamba every day axis is
Awuthi sikubambela kancane ivlog la sinophila.
Nifuna ukuthini?
Sifuna ukubingelela separate. Yo, ilandele umnikazi.
Ilandele umnikazi.
Ilandele umnikazi. Manje silandela kanjani thina?
Siya
Anihleli kumlike.
Ema-kitchen.
Mathesin.
Eporeta emathisini.
Uyakwazi ukudirector?
Eporeta emathisini.
Bezocela ufaka i-GPS kodwa ulapha kancane uhawu esijuwala.
Ufuna onke.
Mna futhi ndifake i-direction kanjani manje? Uba ofuna ukuya lapha.
Hawu uzowafaka masesidlule photo.
Xa sesidlule siyadlula ePort Edward.
Kancane kodwa.
Yes. So we're taking over.
Uthandi ngaze ndiye but ndathi
Oh, we're taking over the blog. We just practice. It's a practice
Okay.
run. Yes. So we are going. So
Imike kum nje niyavakala?
South Coast.
asivakali.
Andazi kaloku andiyabuza.
We're gonna go to South Coast. Ma ujikisa kanjani? Ma ilandele umnikazi.
Iza kuwe.
Ayifuni ngani.
Kanti sisasha ama-interview la. Izojika ke.
Yeah, see right.
Ndiyakwazi.
The legend is inviting guys to South Coast or
We're starting at Port Edward.
oh, we started at Port Edward isebenza amazinyo, and then after the Port Edward we invite to Heady Center. Me and this guy.
So we shall see you all later. Ukhala nespace. Ephethe idichi.
Guys, they are practicing because bathi bafuna uqala i-content. So anyway, we're going to start wherever they said we are starting, and then bayofuna my phone. They want both iPhones, so we need to look for phones. Nizowabheka konje my phone. Actually, I've been trying to DM people who sell phones because we're not gonna buy them AI store, guys. They are expensive, so sizobathengela kulabantu abadayisa amafoni from TikTok. Because they need 2 phones or Anathi no Pila, so that's a lot of money for at least if it was one person. Besingazami I store. Now it's 2 people who both need 2 phones. No, one brand new iPhones. Hence we opted for them getting them lapping wathenga khona nam sometimes. So yeah, that's about it. Like I said, these errands that I'm running, they're not mine. I'm running other people's errands. Because abafuna ukuhamba ngamateksi.
Asiqala nje kuba
Kuzimasa.
13 yaphezulu.
Qala nje usimasa akavela. Ayeke unamahloni usimasa. We might go to Incredible. We might go to Vodacom, MTN and Telkom. We will update you all.
Yeah, danko.
Have kids, they said. Anyway, kulungile bye. Let me drive. We'll catch up on the other side.
Okhona owaziwenza amazinyo angenze for free.
Hi. Hi.
Suction. If you've got it.
That's just our price. I mean
Do you guys do the implants here? You don't? Okay. So if she wanted them, she'd have to go somewhere else.
Yes.
So here you only do false thingy. That's it. And then how much are they?
6,200.
6,200.
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, one stop down. Off to the next. We're gonna go to Esheli. Guys, the way I'm not used to wearing a mic, I don't know whether I have to keep on checking ukuthi, but it looks connected because it has that green line here. But yeah, off to the next. Off to the next.
Oh my God.
Mna, you know what I was saying. It's just that nina animameli.
Manje
Bendithi
ababona
mna
ukuthi abakulalela.
abafuni ukunimamela. Nisabothe ndiyathetha. Ndithi mna ne masiqhubekeni seni kwadoctor siyobuza ii-prices zakhe. Anyway, bye guys. Let us continue and go to...
6,000 x-ray. 200 where?
It doesn't matter noba bangathi 10,000 as long uyenza professional doctor. That's all I'm saying.
Nasi base ndiyavumelana nawe asiyele Shepstone njani. Inqaku lona usile lona. Kutheni engafuni ukuthi
Kwi-photos. Siya kweliphi icala?
Pha phambili ma.
No, kaloku ndifuna ukupaka closer to where we're going. Xa even ithi phaa siyaphi? Left, right. Where are we going? Kanjani ndijuke ngo-right ngo? Hayibo, nanti ibhadi lambo. La Mr. Price, ku-right la. Unyawo lami lushelele. Ukuthi abantu badayisa kanjani amafoni evaliwe. You can't press alokhiwe. You can't check the quality. You can't do anything. You can't allokheliwe. Allokheliwe.
Chama.
Like Vodacom uphi usesheli ne? Ukhona MTN la. Asambeni sene MTN. How telephone, even if like let's say for instance now I've been saying I want iPhone 17, I would still want to go to the shop, check, press it, check quality, you know, just check the phone, the features before I can actually purchase it. So them closing them, I don't understand though. Which kind of halab is this now?
But Nalana men's the same thing.
You know what's the style esisha sasemakhaya or ithi into ninjani? Nala amafoni awaphumi. You can't check the phones. Guys, ngicela nibukeni ngiyayiqala into enje mina. Iblend nginibonisa. I want to show you guys. Can you guys see? Ifone ayiphumi. Ifone awukwazi ukuyicofa. Angazi mina ukuthi uyithenga kanjani ifone. Oh my goodness. Guys, apparently amafoni ayantshontsha. Amafoni bathi ayantshontsha. I guess it makes sense because eGoli ngeke uze uyithole lento le. Amafoni you actually press the phone and ube happy. Awukho ama iPhone la? No. Hayibo kanjani? Kanti nizobuya ningaphathanga amafoni namhlanje. No, it's fine. They're looking for iPhones. It's fine. Yes, iPhones. You too? Oh. Hayibo, kanti anifuni ukuzwa? Kanti why nina nineconsi nenhliziyo ezincane?
Customer service. The customer is always right. Siyangena manje sibuza mayibona siphuma ukuthi do you need assistance? You even caught it on camera. Afa ukuphuma the customer.
Ancengi ke mina ke.
Asiveleni siyene elontuzeni ke asiyene Vodacom.
I promise you they are.
Sawugqibile? Hayi ke mina ngeke nibesa kubuyisela la nto uzohamba ngamateksi. Kunini senza into enye?
Mayina imali yokufaka ipetrol uzonqaba.
Asambe.
Yabo.
Hayi asambeni. Awufuni ukuyozama eShell Center again? Phaya. Kaloku babethe inetwork ngalamini seyiphelile ivenue. Umshini wazi kanjani boka kabuya? Guys, running people's errands is so stressful, but ke because ayingowami and anifuni ukusebenzisa amateksi.
Why? Imoto ikhona.
Kanjani ngoba bengingekho nisebenzisa amateksi?
Andiyazi.
Hey. So ubungazi uyokwenza iID if bendingekho because these are very important.
You are coming.
So you waited for me in order for you to do your ID. Ngoba ungafuna ukugibela amateksi. Shisa wena girl. Clock it. Yo. Hayi bandla. Abanye balinde mina ukuze bathenga amafoni. Ngoba bengafuna ukuhamba amateksi. Okay. Awekho amafoni la? Utelcom. Hayibo. Why uTelcom onje?
Sishelo omkhulu hayilo.
Asambeni. Asambeni phela. Fumanga unyawo lwami lushelele ndizokushiya ke ndikuxelela uhambe ngenyawo ndizokushiya obuyithenge nini ngoba ndizokushiya namhlanje unayo imali
Yes, I do have.
Uyasazi ukuthi siphunyele imali zarafu.
Nani limele phi? Ukuze kuphuma urafu funeka uqale ulimale. Aninakwa. Send nemdaka. Hi guys. Here is dress number 1. I like it, it's cute, but I think I need a large. Yeah, because of the top, the bra. The boobs are boobing. They are so big. But I love it. Yeah, I don't even know if you can hear me. I took this, the top, to wear it with my black leggings, right? And then while I was coming here to fit, I then saw these pants, right? And then I was like, this looks nice. So What do you guys think? I don't know if I should do this. Is a size 38. It fits, but I also have a size 40 here. I feel like a size 40 is gonna be a bit loose. Or should I just stick to size 38? I don't know. Let me show you guys on the... It's nice. You can wear it together like this. But honestly, I want to wear these with something else with my leggings. No. It makes me look so old. I know I'm old, ne? But not this kind of old. It's... Also, I think I just don't like big dresses. Like, I love dresses, but they must not be vroeps. Like, no. Bye. Gembe lusemhlabeni banini ke bona guys, niyasazi steam bread intoni le umbhako but ngulothengwayo lo uyakwazi ukuzenzela endlini but lo uyathengwa uyathengwa nangu wenzani yo i-homemade homemade shawarma, like the way endikhathele ngakhona andibaceli. That's just the honest truth. I'm gonna eat this with the meat. Hey, esisonka nkosi yami naso sivele sibe sikhulu. Jehova. Simnandi nekofu ekuseni esi isonka. Neram. But now I'm not even sure if I'm... Siyeza ngoku zisanda. Hayi uyaxoka ke ngoku. Hayi shem seningade ningasibizi kwekho umalume ephuma kuyodoba ninjani kanti? Aze narongo. Ikhona? Zenzeke sizoza sizozitya. Guys, can you see? Faka imnyama ku-microwave. Hayi bo zisanda wasinishwa. Yewena zisanda. Niyaphi?
Sisemotweni kuhoku.
Xokolani?
Ewe.
Uthi semotweni.
Bathi bazosenzela kusasa zikhona ezindini. Ithi sisemotweni yezansi. Bathi okay. Wawuvela ujayi hayi ke.
Akavumanga unyawo lami lu. Guys, for the people for those who always ask, where do you get these songs, the gospel songs? Yeah, it's this kind of video. I'm gonna play it because obviously there's no copyright here. If you don't download go TikTok. Usizo lwami luvela kuJehova. Kuyu Jehova. Akavumanga unyawo lami lushelele. So these songs, my algorithm on anyway guys, I was saying that these songs, my algorithm on TikTok is full of these kind of gospel songs because I love them so much. So yeah, the thing is about TikTok, whatever that you watch a lot, like a lot, they will forever bring those. So when you guys ask me who sings that song, what's the name of that song, it's non-copyrighted random people on TikTok singing gospel songs, and then they also just put instrumental under the vocalist which is also non-copyrighted because it's not like iculo elenziwe that you can buy from iTunes or something. You can't get this song from iTunes. Aliko. Umuntu nje owayeziculela ku TikTok, and then someone decided to put an instrumental under that vocalist, and then that's it. Bese mina ngilithanda because I like the message or the song, whatever. Ngilithathe ngizolidlala ku YouTube because sometimes ngifuna senze ipraise and worship. Yabo? Sibadala phela kule channel siya praise and worship ongcono. Ukhulekile guys. Kukhulekile i-channel ka City Mom Sibadala. So last day sizikhonzela uNkulunkulu bakwethu, ayikho enye into esiyenzayo. Oh, angikhathalanga abantwana. Oh Thixo wami. Abantu ubakhumbula uphinde uvuba bakuhlela la. Abakhali. Oh. Guys, I'm back home and I don't even want to show you guys because you already know what's here. I didn't take the I bought lip glosses. They were like 50 rand because guys, I just don't have. There's 3 of them. The other one, it's in my bag. Because guys, ngani phumeni wanathulele Phuman out. Phuman kulezo zihlangu umhlengi. Leave it. Phuman niyangxola. Anyway. Ndithe Phuman nizovela ninganika amasweet. Ambani ne dining room, in fact ambani nemnyango kuyatshisa. Okay, bye-bye. I took this thingy I showed you guys when I was fitting it, this top.
Mom, I want marshmallows.
Okay, I'm gonna give it to you. Lubanzi, go outside. I'm coming. Mommy is busy. I took this top. And then I left the dress. Guys, I'm hungry and I've put meat on the microwave because I want to eat something. I also took these pants. You guys saw them when I was fitting them, right? I'm gonna wear, I don't know which ones I don't like those pants, but I like them. They're so nice. There's a different color. I think I'm gonna go get that different color. It's the same design but a different color. They're so cute. I left the dress because there was no size XL. Yeah, XL even gecko. So I was like, it's fine. I'll go back for the pants rather. Yeah, same design. You guys know me. When I love something, I get it in different colors. Let's go to the kitchen, make something to eat. Excuse me, it's so cold now. Let's go get something to eat, make something to eat. And then, yeah, guys, I'll catch up with you guys later. It's not my turn to cook today. Guys, when I'm home, I cook because also what I realized is that when I'm home, I gain a lot of weight because at home, you cook full meal every day. In Joburg, we don't cook full meal every day. In fact, in Joburg, we are lazy to cook. We don't just care about food in J. Yabo? At Joburg, fast food kind of living. Yabo? Maulambile, khub wenza ukudla fast, ukudla okunjalo. Go there and there when you're craving full meal. It's there and there, not every day. Emakhaya, every day it's a full meal, a plate. That is why I gain weight when I'm home. But nonetheless, let me go make food and yeah.
But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you